The thing that I love about millinery, I love working with my hands, and I love the process of having some materials, whatever that is, beads, feathers, felt, and creating something and then seeing it on somebody looking amazing. It's very difficult to actually replicate the art of millinery in a factory situation. So everything is stitched by hand. And I love the fact that I'm able to keep doing such a hands-on trade in a very modern technological age. The process of actually shaping a hat, you will steam the fabric and stretch it over a wooden mould. I like to use vintage blocks when I can to get that authentic shape. Everything is handmade, really thought about, really considered. My designs are not trend-based. They can be worn again and again. It's not fast fashion. It's something to really enjoy and wear again.